run for Free Willy shot through there.
Be the Carpenter.
Eh?
Be the Carpenter 29.
Ahead of it.
Well, it's the other end of Ponui Island, North Harbour. Just come through Ruth's Passage. And this is Rotorua. And the rumour is they're chopping this island up into big blocks, and you can pay a lot of money and get one of those little blocks and have a lifestyle. This is Waiheke Channel. Through here we've got Waiheke Island over there in the distance, and we're going this way. We're going to harden up, go around this northern end of Panui, past Sunday Rock, and then hopefully we'll get a kite on and head back to Kennedy Point. A couple of randoms here having a fish.
Hi there.
Let's get a line out.
You do the fishing, I'll do the...
We've got a couple of lines out.
Around here, down there.
Ah.
A bit of a, you know...
Tucker time.
An arm wrestle.
Yeah.